the glad plenty country people for say we don't take care. Me we not to read again to read the plenty. We the salad we away we not day for that side them from Gaundere. We away we that day for that side for South Cameroon. Una for Northwest and Southwest. Una we that day now for Europe. We the truest salad for una cash for salad. Una take care she don't find to read them day where they don't enter for here. We could knock one after one. Yes, that means we teach chapter by chapter. Now so we go begin and now we to for corner side to we enter for our ear for corner side. Now say we teach some three picking them for us for Bafang them don't quarrel. That means we teach now for inside water. The four they picking the day so they gonna go for go see Papa God. Wait happen, waiting no happen. Uno sabi ben I say we teach. Family they cry plenty because they picking they don't go, they don't fit see them again. Now three picking them now for inside water where they die for that side for Bafang within for West region inside a country. Palava for accident, we don't say we some man where we don't lost inside Douala here when I sabi say we will talk palava for Charles say Charles he don't come up for his house. Family don't sabi say Charles he don't go. You woman they say Massa don't come out no tell me say we don't go. Even now they don't come in for village say he uncle where they for us for B village. He don't die. We don't know how Charles he go. We get for tell you because Charles he did so. Now he get for be immediate successor for the papa where he don't die when na uncle for family. Mais self say they don't look Charles. They put long eye. They open their ear them. It is long so say they go hear man go talk say don't see Charles he pass. They don't see Charles he won't be now for weekend. They see that Charles he die body for us for payage on Jumbe Penja and for Mungo division where they see that Charles for them. They say he get caught for his skin plenty where they don't knock sute knock get caught for his skin. They don't know now who they don't kill Charles. When I sabi say they don't look Charles for many years. But inside to be today, we will take una talk palava for accident where don't happen. People then no die for some other one them, but now animal them die. That means say inside outside for Gaundere. Now some animal the way they die inside for palava for accident. One way people they die now for inside the wala way they see na die body for person who die. They don't know whether na what to kill the man, but they don't can see na die body for that side for Bonapriso. Side for Northwest and Southwest, people they die so die na die inside weekend. We go show now and tell now people the way they die so kill them inside weekend. Even how a woman them inside Northwest and Southwest. They be don't come she down. Yes, they come for some big dongame for us for Boya. They say with killing, it don't they plenty and batting for woman them. They talk say with people the way they should kill people inside Northwest and Southwest. Them don't decide for the shoot plenty now woman them where they make woman they invest plenty. Country people to read plenty, muna she don't find who go the chakara plenty. Country people, what to be Big Pie Talk today? Big Pie Talk, come on for that side, farm be safe for that side for Yaoundé. We dey throw salute for people that way they for that side for Yaoundé. Weti talk, he say weti foul. They ever been a first person for run enter for house every evening because say sabi say weti he no give hand for can knock door. Foul, this also been a first man for run enter for house for evening. Because for sabi say weti he no get the hands for can knock door for can say pop he no get them. So now why that way even in one reach foul being a first man for day inside house with the salon palm being set for that side for Yaoundé and all people the way they dey for that side for Yaoundé. Sabi say weti Yaoundé and Douala now only black we will see them for outside. Kitu people them plenty pass inside Douala like Yaoundé. Even for side for Bafoussam, you want pass for big place them, you dey see na Kitu them. One day way they wear na red cap, one day way they not even wake up, you know they see their face outside black. See go reach na for that shoe. Now so we don't take IC and country people who go down so there for the scene and see sabi say weti palava for national worker inside country na tomorrow. It really say na man and a man could talk say weti all man they talk say people the way they no want say maybe they talk say weti it no could happen for the countries lie to lie. People the way they talk say may happen, them too they talk say weti it could happen for the country lie to lie. All of them say weti Cameroon now man get them. That means say tomorrow when na number 22 dey inside the country, we go see na see, but thing wey we wan know na say wetin Mami Water dem too wey we don see am for big Carrefour dey inside Douala Yaounde na Logmob. Na who be who dey talk wetin for who? Country people. Wa eye sharp plenty, wa ear long like rabbit on anything. We go also come begin the knack with the tori for your country people. We na sabi say wetin people dey inside radio, they never get time for the knack tori with we. But una fit put na una comments for comment section. Anything we una put am for day, we go can see am. Tomorrow we go come back begin the talk. Time for begin the Chakara tori. Come on for one tori, enter for another tori. What we will get them today, we go start now for chapter for cry, chapter for die body, where they see inside Douala here. That means say wetin people that wake up for morning time today, now goodbye this to die body. That means say welcome to die body, but goodbye to his spirit. Our country people they ever sabi for talk. Now man that way sleep so, it is so not they sleep na sleep wake up, he don't die na die. Who say we dey na inside die do Bonapriso. Na inside Bonapriso for Douala. Una sabi say di kind quarter na big people that quarter wey man dey ever can dey for day. When any man can come for evening for his house, he dey open na gate enter. All man dey stay na inside gate. That means say wetin if something self dey happen for outside, for say countryman see am, for can tell your family or tell other country people dey say this one I think this will be happen. E no be easy. That means say you dey work for this street for Bonapriso dem, e dey the same man no dey but all people dey dey for that house. You know the quarter them like Bepanda them, Makepe Zokerem, and village the way all man they come shidon with the combi them, with the neighbor them for outside so that the fees are beating where they happen. Now that's so for the kind chapter where they so them key man, people them where they dey for corner house where they even kill them for corner the door, that mean for door more for their house. Them no sabi what to happen, them don't know who it is sleep for day, they don't know who kill it. 70 people they wait na people the way they want look on house them. Dem talk say wetin they no know time wey dey kill person for that side. Dem just wake up for morning time na their body dey take eye see for that door. Una person don lost, make una go for that side for Bonapriso inside Douala, see whether that their body na winner man na inside Douala Cameroon. Country people who comot for that side for Bonapriso, see talk na palava for key people. The one so na for inside northwest and southwest. We dey take una go na side for Bafut. Wow, when I see am so, now one man with the key for weekend inside that side for Bafut for northwest. That means say wetin, we no know nothing will happen, but they talk say wetin, na shoot there for his skin, big cut way dey so na gun e don enter for his skin. They dey see key people dem plenty so for inside northwest and southwest. Now another one this, that means say the one no be another one wey people dey hold am so, whether they hold am na on top stick they carry go, motor not even dey where dey so they fit even shoot man so. Man begin dey bleed. That means say blood e dey comot, motor go take it run go hospital. He was so when they shoot man for that side, if people dey not there for even carry that man then go with am for that side for hospital, he could die na die for day. Now why that when I see the country people them so they die even for weekend. We hear say wetin na for that side for Bafut, and today wetin dey enter for our eye na say for our ear na say the people them they know them like people the way they been dey for that side for Bafut. That means say wetin where they never got do their business for that side for Bafut. People know them fine. They don't wake up the scene how they don't shoot them, kill them. Now who shoot them? Not only Papa God you want know. What did they do? Papa God you want know. But when I sabi say wetin plenty people they don't they die inside northwest and southwest for palava for gun. How we gun if they go on between one camp and one camp would be one camp separatists them and governor for Cameroon. Now boy them and soldier them. So now when man die for that side, they know whether now who he because say wetin all the people them na gun they carry inside northwest and southwest. We go leave that palava now so talk palava for accident. The accident so then for that side for Ndere where we take our eye see am. E dey for that side for Ndere wetin happen. We no sabi but we hear say wetin the motor e be carry the people there. Yes, the other one dey na for Akum. Rather way una dey see am so. The accident dey na for that side for Akum, see for side for northwest region. That means say we dey hear say wetin tori wey dey enter our ear na say papa wey get the motor if e go some die for some compound wey dey on top the hill una see the hill wey the motor dey, the house dey on top, they park the motor on top the hill. Then he woman and he picking the day as how plenty other country people they be there for that die. The woman and he picking now cause she don't inside the motor the way say me papa can start motor they go motor just start to go you want so country people man never start motor to say motor begin they go motor go down for that hero when I see am so land na for down. My papa got to be there for that mamia and that gondere it is so na only small cut there for that skin. Papa will be come with key for say he for start motor for carry a woman and he pikin may begin to go back for their house. He don't come, he don't run after the motor wait. Motor no dey gree wait. He go so only go wait now under that big that means he go down go wait now for that big hero when they see him now for under. But mommy and the pikin they come up for this cut you know there for their skin. Moto you know jagara how we see am so another accident we don't get them. The one to be na yesterday na for that side for Ndere how I be talk so the other accident na big motor that way come up for that side for northern region for country they enter inside south part for Cameroon that means say what they come for Yaoundé una for Douala they come na accident that na people that way the motor kill una see so na big cow then that way they be carry for back that motor. Sabi say oti bibi motor they ever carry cow them for that side for Adamawa side for north side for far north they bring her inside Douala or na Yaoundé motor can get accident the cow them they quarrel for this so they not for even gree again na only small cut may they take them go hospital cow then die immediately after the accident happen but we hear say oti driver for the motor he don't get too small cut they don't think he go now for hospital but thing wey we hear for the accident too na say oti na overspeeding it caused the accident that means say wetin the driver dey go with like say something be there for e back or some people dem be dey follow you for e back with a cane na that's so that reason wey don dey cause plenty other accident inside country palava for dey run with speed like say dey so dey do na man Cameroon race that chapter I don finish for the country people mo go na palava for Mbanga wey dey catch am una sabi say wetin na Kitu red cap people dem wey dey catch the country people dem wey dey take their own na the cannabis na marijuana na Mbanga una dey call am some people dey call their own say wetin na jama yes country people dey get different name wey dey call am the big bag dey so seven bag for the palava wey dey take am for inside Yaoundé dem catch am that mean say wetin Kitu red cap people dem dey be shine their eye plenty. Why I talk say they be shine their eye because they be tie inside na bag wey na corn dey there. The time na inside bag the way na corn e dey there. So if the people they not be open their eye find they not for even know say they so they don't carry na banger inside the bag them. The big bag the people dem country people they get sense plenty. They fit put banger put am after they put corn then they see put that thing again put corn just mix am so. If you dey so your head no dey you go even check say they so na only corn they carry. But the big man so and the long boy them they sharp eye fine open that bag say that people they talk say na corn we carry they say no be corn we carry na the country people that way they be carry that thing for that side for west region they enter inside country capital na for Yaoundé una sabi say wetin the thing too they never talk say worry because when man take am he head dey shake na shake that mean say if he take na collapse for cuddle with am he dey so he no even see you na like human being again they talk say wetin na the kind thing wey plenty people dey take am inside town e dey give them na full courage our friend man dey ever talk yes. If they give them folk right that means say they give them some kind hard way whether they enter for whose house for broke door then thief money for they know they fear now whether they talk so many things they don't sell them so now they contribute with that where the one go say na bad market day he catch them that day they catch them with that thing for road for inside Yaoundé na big bad the way carry they argue with that Kitu people them na corn we carry no be corn we na carry na corn we carry the only when they don't open back where my party man they so their mob he shut up yes I talk to my party man then na come be them why I talk to them I come be them because say na Cameroonian them you know be say na people the way me and they do business because me I know they me for that kind of business una sabi my business country people them na so me we talk na palava for other thing to wey dey so we don dey see say dey so na bad time for people the way their hand dey long plenty that mean say thief people them the one the way when I see and so na big material for Kamwata wey they be don thief am. Sometimes they dey for quarter they talk say this so water don call when at people don can losing all the thing them because Kamwata people they talk say the thing wey they catch inside Douala for Chateau for Daido Douala they never come broke see the house where they put am for day they say they no be don come broke na come water shop, they just come they losing and for say come water don connect water them, move the big thing them. They go put them for that small wowo house, they sell them. When my one can sell them, they give all the ticket, the factory they know they don't see them, so they don't give them so. The big oga kwata inside come water talk say wetin, they don't they get problem plenty. People they catch them say they so come water people they know they work because say water it don't cut for their compound, water it don't cut for their quarter, water it no dey for their village. Then come water people they never agree can put back water for them. But they talk their own say wetin, they ever one can put water for them correct. But matter now then I say wetin, time when they even want to come say the one can put water, when they don't can just connect so they want turn their back. People they already can move the pipe them. Water they come on for road. Now why that when I pass sometime inside Douala owner Yaoundé or any part for Cameroon, when I see say water they come out, not be say the people they don't can put them. When they put them, the people they don't can see them. So the big thing them. The people they talk say this one are on the way don't buy them. Oga for come water talk say wetin, the things so not only come water get them inside country. Una don't see them now for day. So they say they go take people them go knock them casting go find make they talk that come be them and who them where the river send them or outside where they don't or go sell the other one where they don't they take them so that may they go for day go take them back. Now inside Daido for that side for Chateau Daido. So una sabi that side for Chateau Daido una no say wetin na T people they dey for that side work where they go for that side na work for T people. People the way they sell all the material for that side they know they go buy them na buy them or they buy them for black market. Even so they don't even cash all them shop. You know, could open for that side according to things where they don't tell we. Country people, Douala problem, Yaoundé problem with the insecurity, the people the way they catch them, not be only that one. Bad road too, now one of their name. That means say wetin, the one when I see am so. When I fit check say it is so, na some village inside Cameroon where it is so, people they don't know or for work I go there na trouble. But now inside Douala this one when I see am so. This side so. Na Bojongo, Singondere de for Bojongo. Okada man de for Bojongo, the two they be na people the way they get for learn how to swim. Because say what even if they stay for Bojongo, you for enter your house na for swim. When I see how people they pass before they enter their house. For enter their house you na palava. See house there for Bojongo. Fine house could they, Carabou house for they, you will get fine house, you will not get fine house. See the kind of way people they pass. This side so not even talk about palava for mosquito because mosquito for this side na their friend or na their come be them. People them for quarter they talk say wetin, it is so they don't build small gutter them for some side, you don't block. Man they know the gree come arrange them. Whether na council or whether na come now, they know the hear talk where they talk. People then come out say wetin, they could try do their own for even degree gutter because say wetin, water where they go outside, it dey make road it dey war, it dey enter for people their house, it dey make life, it dey hard for them. The water they make that because say wetin, they never make gutter them way water fit dey pass for them. So water now it dey fight road with the country people them. Now when school they come so they ask say wetin, how picking them for Bojongo inside Douala they could go school. Even if they no want come inside town for go school, if they want remain na inside Bonaberi for go school, for come out for inside Bojongo how una sabi say Bojongo fit far also. For come out they could hold na how many close them because say they talk say for even your common na for road for that side for Bonaberi. You even get for buy whole different clothes, different shoe where you don't come out whether you dey on top machine with the work and our foot where you don't already come out for road, then you change clothes. They don't talk say wetin, you know be like say they never talk something from governor, they don't try for talk for all people them where they talk say na them be head boy them for that side for Bonaberi or for Douala for e dey like say the people they know they hear talk where they talk. They talk for English, they no hear, for French they no hear, say make up talk it on because say wetin school they come. It has no problem with them. If them the papa then they don't try anyhow for go work. Now so picking they get for look clean for school. How they are picking and go come out for Bojongo, go for school with that kind road. Now road down for Bojongo. People them two where they cry for them. I say with some big company they there for day where they even fix all kind of thing them different kind of thing the way the company they fix them. They even beg say company when I get money, when I just carry a seawork and pour for a road. The company they know they want hear that one. Thing we find them for their skin, not only that money where they work for that side for Bojongo. Now matter they that for inside country. Country people that for two for that side for Mesamendongo, inside that side for Yaoundé, them too they cry. Their problem I say wetin, them be don't come broke their house where they don't even tell them. That means say wetin, they say big people that inside Yaoundé for big people dey inside the man wey dey talk so dey so na oga that mean say wetin na chief for that quarter there for Mesamendon go for Yaoundé. Una see as the way they don come broke am. The chief e dey show the own house. Even chief say sef no be na that kind one wey dey broke for some quarter. The people dey go talk say no na chief e don bring e complete there or e don go talk for the people dey say dey so make they come broke her house. They don broke am leave chief e own house. Na chief e own house that story be the way they broke am. Chief dey talk say wetin that thing na magomago that palava for bro na magomago for sika wetin say their house e dey like 30 meters away from the road. That mean say wetin for comot road reach for side where their house dey you dey walk at 30 meters. They broke am say e dey for road. Na question that chief dey ask am. Chief ask say wetin una be even wan broke something una don even tell we sometimes say e dey so the your house so e never dey for correct place place wey e dey so e dey worry something wey governor wan do road wan pass dey wan be wasapito dey wan be school or that kind thing question wey we never gree hear answer. E dey so wetin una wey una even come for here begin dey do some small work there we dey work for with una so una don tell una wan tell we even one time say e dey so more comot sometimes una wan broke am. No, they don't tell them according to thing wey the chief e dey tell we dey don come broke their house. They dey talk say wetin magomago dey for that matter say make people dey for country make dey hear see say e dey so man go build house 30 meters away from the road they come broke am. That mean say wetin if some man begin na bad belle then go talk for council people dem for inside Yaoundé say make they come broke the house dem for inside Mesamendongo. That man e must answer question wey country people dem for inside country dey go dey ask. And country people dem na who na you and me. If you fit ask your owner for Facebook you go ask am. You na wey una fit take the matter go with am for other side wey dey fit take the kind matter go mo una hear na why that we decide say e dey so mo sound the palava. People dey that so dey for that side dey cry say they broke house. Even now wey they dey try say they go get small money for send pikin dem for school now so they go get for the look na house. One they don decide for all the shidon na for that house wey they don broke am say even how they don broke am they no go comot for there because say they no get side for go. If they wan say make they comot make they just can carry them go emam for side wey they wan carry dirty for Yaoundé e go emam. The matter dey hot na hot inside Yaoundé. Now so we go talk palava small politics inside country. People dem for Edith Kawala una sabi mami Edith Kawala very well. He come out with that he come be them yesterday for say wetin for weekend. Yes, not be yesterday for weekend for say wetin una leave our people the way una don take am put am for ngata. That mean say some people dem for CPP and people dem for stand up for Cameroon they talk say wetin they be catch them inside Douala na Kitu they catch them. Why they don catch them Capo no know that one but they comot now go dey knack say wetin una must leave our people. If una no leave our people with you we no go comot for here. So na Edith Kawala and the people dem for stand up for Cameroon that they dey work am say wetin they must leave their people say they never do anything wrong. So that mean say Kitu people dem no be get any power or any right for can hold their people. That mean say the country na man wey get power if they hold your man if you two no get power e go dey worry na worry. Them do their own so but we no sabi whether e dey so that movement wey they don do am they don do that waka for vex for front. That mean say for dom up for Kitu people dem inside Douala so we no know whether e dey so they don leave that people dem. We don try for ask them people dem never gree give we answer. We go that's how they ask am we go come back for there they tell una country people. So other man too wey dey vex for Cameroon na a man wey na chief. Yes they call you say wetin His Majesty Sokoju Jean Ramo. Yes na some big man wey they call am say traditional ruler for that side for Bamendjum for side for west region for Cameroon. He say wetin country dey bad we will be achieve them we be traditional ruler dem we no go sit down quiet. Yes na that big power that una sabi say wetin that big power e dey always talk for palava dem inside country. He say wetin country e no fit dey go na for back he sit down quiet for sika say all e other come be dem no dey sit down quiet. He say governor I don tell una plenty years dem say e dey so the palava wey una dey do with the English people dem inside country e go come ban na bad more una stop am una no hear now so una don see how we don dey ban na bad no. If una no do something now days the way they come na tomorrow e go that so ban na bad. He no talk finish Amos. He still comot talk for palava the way they worry inside country leave palava anglophone dem comot come say wetin the country dey so e dey go now for back e no dey go for before. He say ye as man wey na man for tradition, he wey dey talk with the gods dem, he dey see the country far wey people dey no dey gree see am, and thing wey dey see about the country wey dey comot for far, e no dey find he if dey no do something. According to he talk some big talk for big people dey wey na government people dey say wetin, una no fit drink mimbo broke calabash. If una no fit drink mimbo drink am or no give some other people dem, una at least leave calabash for there so that some man wey come if you try put it on for inside, make una no drink mimbo broke calabash. Na strong talk that way he talk. We go come back for that he talk tomorrow because that he talk a plenty wey don publish am. Now so we go now on top our newspaper. Sabi say today na Monday, newspaper dey never plenty. We go start with the first newspaper wey Amos get am for give you today. See two way newspaper dey talk, but sabi say wetin plenty newspaper dey inside country don dey talk na palava for waka for vex. The Star newspaper talking on na the palava for peace. Una sabi say wetin today na World Peace Day, and na PCC if you take the palava for peace, they talk all Cameroonians say wetin all Cameroon man get for understand say peace e be very important. That mean say Presbyterians dem even with the moderator they take that palava go for street for Boya, for the south, for southwest, they even start for Limbe. Say wetin all Cameroon man na peace o, na only peace go make we will smile again, na only peace e go make thing dem e better again. The Star newspaper talk palava for peace. Make we go for another newspaper. Yes, after the palava for peace, the other newspaper they talk on and say wetin think dem e dey shake inside country. People dey no sabi whether tomorrow e go dey na how, people dey no sabi whether tomorrow go dey na how. Na so na palava who be who inside the country as how wey tomorrow dey come. Una sabi palava for tomorrow wey na number 22 day, wey na the palava for waka for vex. Even the CRM party on people dem, that mean say wetin na the Guardian Post talking on and say wetin government e don show e hand wey strong, e big plans plenty, e hold and they say don hold na hammer for up, say make CRM people dey show head make dem knack am. The crown that's what they talk na palava for national waka for vex when na come to e come be dey plan am tomorrow. E say wetin come to e on don talk say wetin dem no dey fear anything wey man dey talk, or even how government no talk say wetin make man no just gree send e head for outside tomorrow. The other people dey talk e on say come to e on people dem dey talk say wetin dem dey also do their own. They say dem no dey hear thing when governor dey talk, governor too e dey talk say wetin na we get hammer. If man just gree put head for comot for palava for cause disorder inside country, we go knack e head. Amos, you don come out for the Guardian Post again. Yes, the Horizon too dey talk na palava for national waka for vex tomorrow. Say e dey so doubt e dey be. That mean say wetin doubt dey be how governor don dey comot big motor dem put am for road, big kitu dem how we dey tell una say all sign na kitu. So man no know whether that palava for waka for vex e go that so hold tomorrow. Who fit answer that question? Na only tomorrow wey answer fit comot for that question. The other people wey na the media e dey talk na palava for regional election for country. E dey talk say wetin our regional election wey dey come for inside country number 6 day for December inside country, casualty dem don dey plenty, frustration don dey plenty inside southwest. Na so the paper e don dey talk. Wetin mean na inside the paper wey we go know plenty why dey talk so. Another newspaper too wey we get am today na the Post newspaper. The Post don talk say wetin say governor don comot big car wey dey call am say armor car, water cannon dem wey e don comot for outside. Yes, water cannon na that one we dey call am say mami water wey dey pour you water dey hot na hot. For sika say wetin only for sika say wetin come to don talk say dey get for comot outside tomorrow, and the people dem so governor don comot only the one for say e man shake head na only on top his skin dey go pour am. The Voice newspaper dey talk na palava for national waka for vex tomorrow. Say wetin e dey so preparation e dey go on na go. That mean say wetin come to the people dem they dey put their sense together for comot their own strategy. Governor too dey put it on together too for comot it on for say wetin make tomorrow no be like say the way the people dey want am make e be, but their people dem too dey talk na say wetin e must be like say they want am make e be. The Eden newspaper dey talk na that palava una sabi say wetin na that palava wey dey make news for Cameroon plenty. Palava for national waka for vex say Kamto versus Paul Biya for say wetin na for inside street dem for Cameroon wey we go see Kamto versus Biya. Na the Eden newspaper that. Another newspaper too wey we get am for today na the breaking news. The breaking news wetin the breaking news too don talk na that palava national waka for vex. Isi come back and talk palava the inside northwest and southwest. when you look the breaking news, you go see plenty other strong tori the way they get am for the country. I must tell you say this so breaking news na our last newspaper we get am una sabi say na Monday wey never been a Monday the paper dey plenty country people we thank una plenty our time e don already go we go leave tori for them but people the way they dey inside Douala and one the way they know how for see we the cash we for our radio for satellite una sabi say wetin for 2 o'clock we go there for radio and for Equinox radio you fit call to talk to wey dey for your belle inside country una wey una dey na only for TV. Una hold am tight, una stay with the Equinox.